I'm Jaspal, studying 6th class. Today, we're gonna know what are reptiles. Well, the first question for you is, what are reptiles? Reptiles are cold-blooded animals, and their body temperature depends upon the external temperature, which means the temperature which is outside. We humans and birds can regulate this body temperature, but the reptiles can't regulate their temperature. Instead, they maintain their temperature on the external temperature. For example, if there is 35 degrees out there, reptiles' body temperature will also be 35 degrees. So, the reptiles temperature, body temperature depends upon the external temperature. And also, most of reptiles live on land, and most of them lay eggs. Most of them, everything. For example, house lizards. Most of them live on land, and every reptile lays eggs. Even dinosaurs, which are reptiles, lay eggs. And of course, dinosaurs are also reptiles, which were about so many billion years. The reptiles which lived on land before so many years, and reptiles' bodies are covered with scales, not with skin. Their body is covered with scales, and they walk on land with their webbed feet. They swim and walk. They also swim with their webbed feet. For example, tortoises. They swim with their webbed feet. Of course, we are discussing about walking with webbed feet. For example, lizards. And they use a long tail of webbed feet to swim in water. For example, crocodiles, which use the long tail to swim, and also snakes. Yes, they are also reptiles, and they use the long tail to swim in water. And tortoises use their webbed feet to swim in water. Now, next point about reptiles is the reptiles live up to 15 years, but tortoises and turtles live up to 100 or more than 100 years. And do you know, as reptiles breathe through lungs, they have to come outside. They have to take regular land breath, which means, for example, crocodiles are reptiles and tortoises are also reptiles. So they have to come to land to breathe, because they can't breathe inside the water. And also, a surprising fact: what is the smallest reptile in this world? Well, it's Brookasia micra, which is a chameleon, and these are the smallest reptiles in the world. So, this is about reptiles. Thank you.